Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. And now let's start with gold. This is the daily chart on gold. And as you can see, we are building up something here. You might say this is a W pattern here. In that case, yeah, we are just at the neckline and we need to break above the neckline. And in that case, if we break above the neckline, which is right here, so we need to have a daily close, or at least a 4-hour close above probably 1790, but then 1810 would be our target. Gold has respected this. In my previous video I showed you on the weekly chart, this is a trend line, and gold has respected this. So should we break below this trend line, that's bearish. And also we have this weekly big triangle and we are squeezing up here. Sooner or later we will break out of this triangle. Of course we could break both ways, but looking at the chart on the long term, I would say even if we break down, that would be probably a false breakdown, and we will come back and break above. Once we are above 1870, then that's a big longish signal for me. Let's go over to silver. Let's see what is there. So looking at silver, this is the daily chart on silver. And on the daily chart, oops. Oh, I'm destroying my chart here. Oh, good. So this is the daily chart on silver, and I think this should be somewhere here. Let me just try to. Was it here? I will have to check it again. Anyway, this is a support line here. Should be around the $22 level, 21.8. Last time we broke even down to 21.4 or 5, something like that. Right now we are above this area. We bounce back up, and yeah, I'm hoping for silver to get to 22.5 and build up some pattern here, maybe an inverse head and shoulder pattern that we can rely on or something. But we need to wait for that. I don't see any pattern down here yet, anything that we can rely on. So there are two options. As long as we are above $22, I'm bullish on silver. Should we break below $22 level, then I'm bearish on silver. We could then go again to 21.8 or 21.4. Should we go below that? And of course, when we look at this long-term pattern, this has been a support line for quite a long time, $22. But yeah, this seems like it's wanting to break down. Should we break down, then let me see what could be our target to the downside. Right here, even 18.9, but before that, let me put it up here, 19.7, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, I'm hoping this support can hold on the long term. Why shouldn't hold? But we had some bullish patterns here showing that we were supposed to go to the upside, but we didn't. We broke down, and that's a bearish sign. When bullish patterns don't play out, then that's not a good sign. So right now, let's wait and see what happens here. That's all for now. See you next time.